Hey, what's going on? It's Sai here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can build your opt-in page using HighLevel, right? So unlike many of the funnel builder like ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels, you actually have to build a form before building your opt-in page, right? So before you build your opt-in page, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to marketing and you want to go to form builder, right? Then you want to create new form. So we are going to use this form to collect email address from our audience, right? So the first thing you want to do is you want to drag and drop and to build a new content. It's like full name, like email, like phone number. Then you can keep on adding new, or like country, or like website, things like that. Or you can just have a button, right? And you can change the color, and you can change the setting, right? For example, I prefer green more, so I use green. Then you can change your radius, right? So basically that's it. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to name your form. So you want to go to options and to change your form name, free report, and you can decide which website URL they are going to after they click on submit button. So then you can just save form. Then you can click on integrate form. So if you already have a website, you can use the code to embed this form on your website, or you can have a link so that you can send people directly to the form. Or the next thing you want to do is you can go to the funnel builder. So you go to funnel and the website and you go to funnels, right? Then you click on new funnels. Then you create a new funnel. So you can either go to the library, so you can see there are so many templates you can choose from, or you can just go to the form and you can just add a new one. Right, then you can create different steps. So then we have to add new steps, right? So the first step is our opt-in page. Second one is thank you page. Then you can click on edit page. So right now we have a totally blank page. So what you want to do is want to drag and drop different elements and to basically make it more beautiful, right? So the first one is like free report reveals how to get more using SEO, things like that, right? Then you keep on drag and drop, white, 2 column, and you can have the image here. So you can insert your form here, right? So you can select the form from your list here. So we just create this one, right? Then you can add a new image here. Then you can go to choose your image. So you can click on upload and to find the image you want. This one. So you can upload your image here. And you can add more elements here. For example, I want a call to action. Right, and then you can add supply line here, right? So before you save this page, right, we want to go to our form again. Then we want to change the button action, right? So if you are building a funnel inside HighLevel, you can just choose go to next step, right? Or you can choose another website URL, or you can use the default action from the form. Then you can save. This is basically your SEO metadata, right? So you just type in anything here, and you click on save, and you can preview it, right? So right now you have an opt-in page. Then you go to the previous step. So we go to our thank you page, then we click on edit page. You have to add some elements first. So, right, and we add image here. Then you go to select, and you can add a button here. Right, then you can choose website URL. So this will be the URL that people use to download this guide. Right, and also you can change the color of the button, like this one. And you can change the text color. And then again, save. Right. And you can preview this one. So right now you have a thank you page, right? So after everything is set up, you can just go back to your opt-in page. Then you can test to see if it's working properly. So click on submit. And yeah, they go to the next page, right? So it's working right now. So there are a few more things you have to do before making this funnel live. The first one is you want to go to your setting. You want to set up your domain if you haven't, right? So you can click on here to add new domain. Another thing is you want to go to triggers, right? Because right now we haven't triggered any campaign yet, so that when someone signs up, it's only add to your database, but it's not triggering any like sequences or autoresponder sequences, right? So what we want to do is want to go to triggers, then we want to go to add triggers. Click on save, right? So you can choose a trigger that you can go to form submitted. Then you can add a filter. Form is free SDR report, right? So right now this is the rule. Then you want to create an action. So you can say, hey, you want to then add them to a campaign, right? So this is that when someone signs up for this form, they will be sent to the SMS follow-up campaign, right? So they will trigger another autoresponder action. Then you click on save, so that when someone signs up this opt-in page, you will trigger an autoresponder series. So that is how you can create an opt-in page inside HighLevel. I hope you enjoyed that.